Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to earn from ClickBank. First, identify a profitable niche by researching market demand and competition. Look for evergreen topics like health, wealth, or relationships, which consistently attract buyers. A focused niche helps you target the right audience and select relevant products. This foundational step is crucial for building a successful affiliate marketing strategy and maximizing your potential earnings. Next, navigate the ClickBank marketplace to find products that align with your chosen niche. Prioritize offers with strong sales pages, high gravity scores, and attractive commission rates, ideally over 50%. Build a simple landing page or website to pre-sell the product and capture email leads. This asset helps you build an audience and promote multiple offers over time, increasing your long-term revenue. Now, focus on driving targeted traffic to your landing page. Utilize both free and paid methods, such as search engine optimization, social media marketing, and pay-per-click advertising. For paid ads, start with a small budget, perhaps $20 to $50 daily, and scale up as you see positive returns. Consistent traffic generation is key to generating consistent sales and commissions from your chosen ClickBank offers. Finally, continuously monitor your campaign performance using analytics tools. Track key metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings per click. /B test different headlines, ad copy, and landing page elements to improve results. Once a campaign is profitable, scale it by increasing your ad spend or expanding to new traffic sources. Consistent optimization can significantly boost your ClickBank earnings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.